Welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2023 Mazda CX-50 GT with the optional 2.5 liter turbo engine. And in this highway POV test drive, we are going to test the CX-50's driving assist features and safety assist features such as lane keep assist. Depending on the speed, we'll try the semi-autonomous lane centering assist, and just kind of see how well it does, especially in these conditions that are not really optimal. We'll see how it handles, and other than that, we're just going to go for a relaxed little drive, and I'll give you some chances to hear how it is to drive this as well. But of course, for all my thoughts, make sure to check out the full review just in the top right hand corner, where we talk about everything from the exterior to the interior. We drive it plenty, and of course we're going to compare it to plenty of other compact SUVs on the market, especially the recently refreshed 2022 Mazda CX-5, which is almost the same size. And yeah, so for all my thoughts, check that out. Let's start merging here once we're at the end of the ramp. And I'm also going to try to not talk too much, just so you, like I said, you have a chance to listen as well. Okay, let's start right off with the adaptive, sorry, not the adaptive, the lane keep assist. We're just going to switch this screen to our screen that basically tells us about that. And let's start going out of the lane. Let's see what the car does. And it kind of already steered against that a little. Let's try that again. Okay, so you can't do it too quickly out one after another. I noticed that previously. I guess it's the second time it's then, oh, you probably want to switch lanes, so that makes total sense. Let's just give it a second to rest. Maybe in the meantime put on the adaptive cruise control. There we go, set up to the speed limit. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see what a car does. And it steers us back into the lane, but it doesn't center us. As you can see, it bounces us off. So it would have exited the lane on the left-hand side if I wouldn't have intervened. Now, the lane centering assist unfortunately only works under certain circumstances, mainly certain speeds, and that is lower than highway speeds. So unlike most systems, for example Kia, Hyundai, Nissan, all those, Ford, this isn't capable of doing lane centering at highway speeds, which is a little disappointing, unfortunately. So I won't be able to show this to you right now. Overall, in slower speeds, it works okay. It's not the best out there, but it's still a system, you know. I'd still like to have it, of course. I would still appreciate having it, but definitely not leading in the segment by far with that. Let's do one more lane excursion here. Maybe not right at the exit, but yeah, we can do it here. Once again, I'm not going to do any steering input. Let's see what the car does. And it got us back. Okay, so I think we've proven that the adaptive cruise control works and the lane keep assist works as well. So maybe let's actually get driving. I'll just give you a chance to listen and see how it is to drive. So I'm just gonna stay quiet for a minute or two so you can see for yourself. Okay, but that should conclude our highway POV test drive here in the 2023 Mazda CX-50. I think we've seen very well how it works. Unfortunately, like I said, I can't show you the lane centering assist, but it's just too limited to really have a dependable way of showing that to you. You just got to take my word for that, unfortunately. But like I said, if you want to hear all my thoughts, make sure to check out the full review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now, as well as 2 other POV test drives, one at night where we test the headlights at the high beams, and one in the city where we kind of test the smoothness of the drivetrain a little bit. Anyhow, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for free videos every single week. And thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.